Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for everything. But as you can tell on the title, right now what we're about to do is you see the light is bright. Oh yeah, that's why I wear these glasses. Alright, so today, as you can tell by the title, simple ribs, because I know now we're in January, the new year is on, the summer for us people in London is about to come. So you know, a lot of us are going to be cooking ribs and you know, yeah. So for us it's about maybe April or something like that, May. But anyway, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to be cooking some ribs right now. So let's go, let's get into it. You're going to see my little quick recipe of homemade barbecue ribs. Really quick recipe, anyone can do it at home. It's very easy. So let's go, let's do it. So basically guys, this is it, very simple. What I've got right here is I've got your simple barbecue. Let me let the camera zoom up. Go on, zoom. Alright, let me try it here. So your simple barbecue spice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a dry rub quickly, little quick dry rub. Just this is some leftover jerk barbecue sauce that I had from before. I need to finish it off. I need to finish off that barbecue sauce. That's exactly why I came up with this recipe, to do a little quick little ribs, because I had this leftover from some other recipe I done. So I'm gonna use up this barbecue sauce and yeah. Put it now straight into the oven. As you can see, we're gonna put it straight into the oven, and I'm gonna cook it for like about 30 minutes. I'll cook it for 30 minutes. That's all I want. Then I'm gonna baste it with a little bit of the barbecue sauce, and that's that. Then put it back into the oven for like 10 minutes. That's my recipe. I'm done with it. Simple recipe coming straight at you. 30 minutes, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We're back here into the new year. I hope everyone is good. I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone can see what I've got. So of course, as you can tell from the title, and as you can tell from me cooking it, these are ribs, guys. Barbecue ribs. Barbecue ribs. I'm excited because ribs is one of my favorite meals. As you guys saw, I did this with Morrison's barbecue. I feel like standing up, but I don't want to stand up because then I'm gonna come out of frame, won't I? Alright, so let's. Sorry about my glasses, guys. Just that light is very bright in my eye. Oh, look at that. This is the first time I'm seeing it. I mean, I'm cutting it open with you guys, so there's no gimmicks. Just home recipes, man. Home recipes. Look at that. Look at that. I'm really excited. My mouth is watering. Look at that. The steam on that. Oh, I just love it, guys. I actually wanted it to cool down a little bit before I turn on the camera, because I don't want to burn my mouth on camera. Oh, by the way, guys, this right here, this is something that I do myself. So basically, when the gherkins, as you can see, gherkins, when they start running low, you can see they're running low. There's just the juice left. I take ginger, because usually I got leftover ginger, fresh ginger. Then I cut it up, and I throw the ginger in there. So, yeah. So I eat the ginger raw, which I'm about to do on camera. So I dare any one of you lot to do it. It's a good thing. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Got hot. It is kind of spicy. It is kind of spicy. That jerk. So yeah, guys, I'm about to show you my ginger. So there's the ginger. Fresh ginger. Fresh ginger. And there's the gherkin. So that's fresh ginger right there, as you can see. I've cut it up into very thin slices. And what I'll do is take a bite of the meat. A bit of ginger. It gives you like that Chinese takeaway vibe. Guys, how's the new year? I hope everyone's new year is going well. I hope it's going fine. Back on the grind. It's 2020. Everyone's got high expectations. Listen. No pressure. No pressure. Someone at work was showing me a clip today. Showing me a clip that says, look, if you got no control over anything, why worry about it? You don't have no control over it. It's gonna happen anyway, right? So let's not worry. But that's enough of the deep stuff for today. It's all about love. Love the food. Love everyone. I'm not getting deep. Let me not get deep and then I get deep. Should I try it with hot sauce, even though it is very spicy? Guys, cheers. Don't drink and drive, don't drink on night. Should I try it with the hot sauce? Now this is gonna be fire. I know this is gonna be fire. I know some of you are watching this like, trust me, it's fire. Watch this. Let's go. This is dumb, or whatever. Close the ginger. It's actually delicious, funny enough. It's delicious because it's like different type of heat. Like, I don't know, this is like kind of like Scotch bonnet from jerk chicken. And this is just, I don't know. That means it's delicious, it's fresh. You can see the steam coming off that. I got it straight from the butcher. Ginger. Let's go with this one. I'm done. I'm full now. That was good. That was a nice treat. Okay. See it? Pardon me. Ribs is one of my favorite dishes. I just think you can eat it anytime. Ribs is the one. Cheers again, guys. Okay, guys, I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all the people that watched this video to the end. I want to thank the viewers, everyone that's just taking out their time to watch this. Seriously, I want to thank you all. Happy 2020. We're going to celebrate it till 2021, and that's the way it's going to be. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.